I'm Sue and she's Rainbow, my partner. Say hi to everyone. 俾返呢個青瓜你先。Hello. Today we are going to share with you Kani salad, crab salad. You can find this salad in most of the Japanese restaurants in Hong Kong. So let's get started. The ingredient today. The first of all is this one. Cucumber. And we are using crab sticks because that is cheaper. That is an imitation crab stick instead of the real one. And that is the tobiko. It's a flying fish roll. Yes, tobiko. And also the most important part is dun dun, this salad dressing. That is QB. It's more sweet than the normal one. It's tangy, sweeter, and you will love it. First of all, we are making cucumber. I'm going to use this vegetable stripe slicer. It is more easier to make a stripe. We slice it but without cutting the core part because that is too watery. Mama 攞條俾你啊。And we prepare kitchen paper. Then we put it into a bowl. We have to squeeze the excess water. Stop peeling when I see the seed here. 你請媽媽食啊！請媽媽食係喎，好靚喎！要唔要啊？我俾個你有冇？呢個啊？哇！It's done. I'm putting into this bowl with the kitchen paper that can absorb excess water. And we can squeeze it. It's much easier, see? Just place it nicely. I keep the skin because it looks better with some dark green and light green colors. Okay, look at that. See the colors. It's beautiful with some dark green and light green. Set aside, we'll use it later. Next step, we are going to prepare that crab stick. I got some cucumber here. And just squeeze it. Tears into a stripe. You are my partner. 你幫媽姐，哇，好犀利啊！好犀利啊！哇！好啦，你幫媽媽整呢度啦。She got some work to do。係喎，係啦，咁樣 Rainbow， 咁樣撕開佢，撕開佢。We can massage it first and tear into stick。好啦，差唔多啦。Then that is finished. And we can directly place onto this plate. See, this is the second layer. Cucumber, crab stick. The next step we use QB. QB. This is a Japanese mayo. Very tasty. You will love it. Hi, whoa. Hi, whoa. And now we can directly use QB on top. Wow! Pretty! And finally, we use the flying fish roll. But in Hong Kong, that's called crab roll. I don't know why. And this is called crab salad. in Hong Kong the name is crab roll salad. But I don't know why. 你放呢個位，咪落呢度呢度。係啦係啦係啦係啦係啦。I'm going to decorate and garnish. We almost finished. Just a little bit more. Oh! 飛咗啲過嚟喎。Okay, that's it. The very easy dish. This is Kani salad. We finish.
I'm just having a good day, having a good day, having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day, having a good day, having a real good morning.
If you like this video, don't forget to give a like. If you love this video and want to see us more, please subscribe and we will see you next video. Bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.